Now let's try to simplify 5 whole number 1 over 4 plus 3 whole number 1 over 2. Solution. Remember that when you are working with mixed fraction, you always have to break them to improper fraction first. So our 5 whole number 1 over 4 becomes 4 times 5 plus 1 over 4, which will give us 21 over 4. And then our 3 whole number 1 over 2 will give us 2 times 3 plus 1 over 2, which equals 7 over 2. Therefore, what we are doing is 21 over 4 plus 7 over 2. And we need to find the LCM. LCM of 4 and 2 will give us 4. Now that we have our LCM, we can now add these two fractions. So we have 21 over 4 plus 7 over 2. Now remember, the LCM of these two is what? We had the LCM as 4. So next thing you want to do is to write 4, which is the LCM, divided by the denominator here, 4, and then multiply by the numerator, which is 21, plus, for the second fraction, we also have the LCM 4, divided by the denominator, which is 2, multiplied by the numerator, which is 7. Now, 4 divided by 4, that is 1, multiplied by 21, plus 4 divided by 2 will give you 2, multiplied by 7 all over 4. Now, 1 times 21, that's 21, plus 2 times 7, that is 14 over 4. And this will give us, 21 plus 14 will give us 35. So we have 35 over 4. Now let's bring 35 over 4 to mixed fraction. 4 will go in 35 8 times. Because 8 times 4 is 32, I mean. 8 times 4 is 32. Making it 8, remainder 3. So we have a remainder of 3. So that will be 3 over 4. We can then conclude to say that 5 whole number 1 over 4 plus 3 whole number 1 over 2 will give us 8 whole number 3 over 4. And that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.